Guys, today we're comparing Instantly.ai versus Apollo in 2025. Instantly.ai is built for volume. It supports unlimited sending counts, automatic warm-up, and advanced deliverability tools. You can launch large cold email campaigns without worrying about bounces. On the other hand, Apollo.io gives you both data and engagement in one platform. You get access to a massive B2B contact database plus built-in sequences, dialer, and task management. That means you can prospect, create lists, and launch campaigns all from the same place. While its credit-based model costs more when you scale, it gives more control over data quality and targeting. So bottom line, Instantly.ai equals speedy scale, Apollo.io equals smarter targeted outreach. If this helped you decide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more lead gentle breakdowns.